Hey guys, it's T-Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how I do my go-to twist out on my natural hair. Okay, so my hair is looking terrible, but we're going to get it together. First, I'm going to start off with using Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo. And you can see the other ingredients that's at the bottom. While shampooing my hair, I want to make sure that I'm getting my roots really good to get all that excess product that I had in it. Just shampooing and getting it nice and clean, rubbing all over. Definitely getting my roots though. Okay, now that I've washed my hair, I'm now going to use the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. With the conditioner, I'm going to pour a good amount in my hand and just start rubbing it all over my hair, making sure to get the roots and the ends of my hair. You can put the amount that you want, because I mean you're gonna eventually wash it out anyway, but as long as you make sure you're getting all over your hair, rubbing it in so that the conditioner is even all over. Now I'm gonna take my brush and do a slight detangle all over my hair, and I'm also doing finger detangling while the conditioner is in my hair. I like to detangle with the conditioner in my hair because it makes it easier on me later on, and plus it's easier to detangle with the conditioner. After rinsing my hair with cold water, you can see this is how my hair looks after it's been shampooed and conditioned. Now I'm going to separate my hair in 4 sections. Right now you don't really have to worry about the look of your hair with these 4 sections. It's just separating the sections so it'll make it easier on you to do your twist. As you can see, I'm using little scrunchies to separate my hair, but you can use whatever you want. If you want to use clips or something like that, you can use that too to put the 4 sections in your hair, whatever's easy for you. But I'm not putting my scrunchies on too tight, so I'll be able to just take them off. Okay, now that I'm finished separating my hair in 4 sections, I'm going to get the section that I'm going to work on, and I'm going to put Jamaican black castor oil on that section. Now I'm going to put the Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner on that section. This is going to be the amount that I put on my section. I'm not sure how much you guys will use, but that's what I'm putting on that one section. So now that I've put the leave-in conditioner on that section, I'm going to start doing another detangle. This one I'm going to really detangle my hair by using my fingers, and I'm also going to use my brush to detangle. Now I'm going to section off a small piece that I'm going to start my twist, and I'm going to run my fingers through this piece to make sure that it's not tangled. Once you get the section that you want to start your twist on, you're just going to pin up the rest of that section. Just run your fingers through it to make sure it's nice and untangled. Now I'm going to use Mielle's pomegranate and honey twist and souffle, and I'm putting that much on there and just running it through with my fingers, making sure I'm getting all over each section of the hair. And you can now see the curls start coming in. It's nice and pretty curls. Okay, so now I'm going to separate this and start doing my twist. I like my twist to be kind of small, not too small, but you can do whatever size you want. I feel like the smaller, the better the look, but it's up to you. So for this section, I'm probably going to do about 3 twists. I can probably get a good 3 twists in. And then I'm just twisting it all the way to the bottom. Once I get to the end, I'm going to twirl my finger around the end just so I can get a little curl. You see how it curls up? Now I'm going to separate again and do another twist. Like I said, I probably get 3 in this section, this small section. So this is what it's going to look like after I finish my twist. And now I'm just going to section off another piece to start working on. So I'm going to repeat what I did for the first section by putting the twisting souffle on it, and then start twisting the rest of the section. This is what the section will look like once you're finished. I know it looks bad in the back with my parting, but it's okay because you're just going to twist that all up and it's going to look good at the end. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie out and just start working on the next section in the back. And this time I'm going to use my spray bottle because it gets a little dry, so you want to start re-wetting it again. And then I will repeat what I did for my other section. I'm going to put the oil on, and then my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to detangle with my brush. Once I finish that, I'll start doing all of my twists for that section. Here's what it looks like in the back now that I'm finished with the 2 sections. See, it's not too bad with the parts. I'm gonna shake them. So now I'm going to finish up these last 2 sections, and I'm going to repeat everything that I did for the other sections. So we're just going to zoom through this video. I'm going to speed it up some until I get to the end. Okay, so I'm finally done twisting my hair. As you can see, they're all over my hair, and don't worry about that white side, that will definitely clear up. It's just that's the last section that I was working on. And look, you can't even see that I did a bad job of parting it, right? Now I'm going to take my satin cap and make sure I put it on before I go to bed, because you don't want to lay on these twists. You want to protect them at night. Alright, the next morning when you take your satin cap off, everything will be nice and dry. And you can even wear your twist out like this for a while. You don't have to do it. You don't have to take it out the next day if you don't want to. Now I'm going to take my olive oil and put a little bit on my hand and rub it all over my twist. I try to show you guys how much I put on my hand, but as you see, it fell. That's just to, you know, give it a little extra moisture. Now I'm going to start the process of taking out my twists. I usually start at the top and just like unravel them, and then you can separate them after that. You can like section them off even more, you know, to make it a little fluffier. So now this is the end product. I'm back to having beautiful curly hair now after my twist out. I'm trying to see if I should like maybe wear it to the side or even just, I don't know, putting it up. What do you guys think? Should I wear it to the side? Should I leave it how it is? Or should I put it up? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And all product details will be down in the description. Thank you.